This is the top floor on First Avenue between 87 and 86th Street. This is the view. Beautiful view, top floor, duplex. The heat and hot water is included. That has a king size bed and dresser. Closet. That was the first door. The top, there's two entrances, the top floor. Brand new bathroom, granite counter. Brand new bathroom. Now we're going downstairs. It's a duplex. It still needs to be painted. A lot of light. This is like 6 o'clock right now. 5:30, 6 o'clock. So this is east, so it gets a lot of light in the morning. That fits an alley couch, dining table. Beautiful apartment. And this is the main entrance. This is a duplex. There's a laundry service downstairs, like a drop off, and then there's a laundry nearby, laundry mat. There's a dishwasher, microwave, and it's got a hood, a light. There's a window in the kitchen, granite countertop, a little opening over here. Again, it's nighttime right now. There's a closet when you enter, big closet. It's nighttime, so it's drenched with sun and light all day. The Q, the 456, and the express bus are nearby.